Volkswagen Caddy won't start after the AdBlu was run low. It has been filled up, but the car will not start, and we have a flashing red symbol. Here's a list of fault codes looking for something to do with the AdBlu level. I've cleared the fault codes and the car now starts, and the AdBlu light has changed to orange instead of red, but I want to get rid of the light. That reset start lock. When I went into that option, I was able to get rid of the orange light for the AdBlu. The van was already starting after clearing the fault codes, but this has got rid of the light. Thanks for watching.